Enhanced Physiotherapy. Just going to do a quick taping video today on knees. Particularly for this video, we're going to focus on the MCL, which is the most common ligament we see injured with footballers and netballers throughout the year. So the MCL is a broad ligament that runs on the inside of the knee to give it stability. So what we want to do with this taping is provide a little bit of an external support to brace that MCL. So the first part of the taping is just creating two anchors, one below the knee, one above the knee. From there we can start to do some fanning over the MCL. So the main area we want to find is the medial condyle, or the bony prominence on the inside of the knee. And if we can get the crossing over on this area, we're going to get the maximum stability for this MCL. We've just got Hugh's heel up on a bit of tape or a little wedge at the moment. It just brings his knee into slight flexion. It's important to tape in this position because if we tape Hugh in a fully extended position, we're not going to support that MCL at end of range. So I'll run through, we'll start now, we'll just do some anchors in these areas. Most important thing with these is to lay them on at skin tension and make sure that we're not cutting into the hamstring or the calf muscles. So now that we've got the anchors on, we've got a stable base to work from. We just want to find this medial condyle, and this is where we want to overlap our tape. So we can start with a little bit from the front and just laying over that area, finishing down on the bottom anchor. And just working back the other way, crossing that same area. So we tend to find having two bits of tape in either direction provides enough stability for the athlete, but same as our other taping, we just check before we lock off to make sure that they're comfortable with how it's feeling. As you can see, we've got a nice strong fan over this midpoint of where the MCL crosses the joint line, and now that we're in that position, we're happy that it's nice and stable. We can just apply two more anchors to lock off that taping. And then we're done. So you can see it's quite an easy taping. This principle can be applied to other areas of the knee as well. So if someone has sustained an LCL or a lateral ligament tear, we can do the exact same taping on the outside of the knee. Or if someone's looking to stop a hyperextension of the knee, we can apply the same taping principles with the cross and the X's at the back of the knee, just making sure that we're taping in this same slightly flexed position. So a really handy taping technique that can be applied anywhere in the knee for different types of injuries. Thanks guys.